This couple made an airplane in 5 months. Here is how they did it. They started with the frame, carefully assembling each piece of the structure. Then came the wings, the cockpit, and finally the engine, bringing the aircraft to life. What began as a dream slowly took shape until at last, their airplane was ready for its very first flight.
Wait till the end to see the final build.
Kiss